Hello there, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. Our family renovates houses, and today we're going to talk about if you're in the market to buy a new trimmer, should you get a gas-powered trimmer like this one, or should you get a battery-powered trimmer like that one?
If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money.
All right, so we're getting near the end of summer, and you're probably wondering why on earth are we putting out a video about trimmers when the season is about to end? The reason for that is because in the fall, what happens is all the big box stores are going to be moving out all their mowers and trimmers so that they can make room for their snow blowers. So this would be the best time of year to get a nice deal on a trimmer. We recently posted a video review of this trimmer, which is a HouseBarons gas-powered trimmer. We really like this trimmer, and we'll put a link to that video right up there. We also recently posted a video about this Black & Decker ion lithium battery-powered trimmer, and we'll put a link to that video right there. All right, gas or electric, which one is better? The answer is they both have pros and cons. It really has more to do with the job that you're asking the trimmer to do. So if you have a small yard, say it's under an acre, then this battery-operated trimmer is really great because it's so lightweight and easy to use. The other great thing about battery-powered trimmers is, well, the battery. It's so simple to maintain and operate because you're not fooling around with gas, oil, air filter, anything like that. And so this is a really great choice for a homeowner that's just taking care of one property. However, the battery-operated trimmer is not quite as powerful as this gas-powered trimmer. This one is considerably heavier. The great thing about this trimmer is that as long as you have gas, you can trim all day long. With the battery-operated trimmer, when that battery runs out, now you either have to have 2 or 3 spare batteries that are already charged, or you're gonna have to wait around for that to charge. Our family has a 32-acre farm, and in addition to that, we're maintaining 3 different household properties, and so we do a lot of trimming. To have a battery-operated trimmer wouldn't do us any good because we'd have to have a towering stack of batteries for all the trimming that we have to do. So now if it's difficult to make the decision between the battery-operated trimmer and the gas-powered trimmer, you could go with a third option, which is what we did. We own them both. If we just have a relatively small job, just an area that we really need to trim, just grab the battery-operated trimmer and you can knock that out in no time at all. But if we're trimming all over a 32-acre farm, then we're definitely gonna go with this gas-powered trimmer. This battery-operated trimmer uses pre-wound spools for its trimmer line. But on this gas-powered trimmer, what's super cool is we can buy a spool, this is 1,000 feet long, and then we just wind the trimmer line ourselves. We have another video where we show you how you can replace the line in this trimmer, and it's not difficult, but there are a lot of steps to it, so we'll put a link to that video right there. All right, well, there you have it. So if you're gonna be working on a single residence and it's under an acre of land, this battery-operated trimmer is probably ideal for you. On the other hand, if you're taking care of a large property, over an acre, or maybe you're maintaining multiple properties, then a gas-powered trimmer is a better option for you. We hope this video helps you make a good decision about which trimmer is best for you. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out our channel and we appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks so much for viewing and we'll see you in this next video.